foment fawr yn adran y jerseys unwaith eto, achos bod ni Pencampwriaeth, gwartheg hŷn wedwn ni'n dyfa Sonia sydd yn hyn nawr. Mae rhain i gyd wrth gwrs wedi lloia sawl gwaith, lot o'n nhw wedi cael llwyddiant yma o blaen hefyd.
Oes tad, oes.
A mae'r gwartheg sydd yn y Pencampwriaeth yma yn rhai eithriadol o gryf.
O, maen nhw'n greu ofnadwy, maen nhw'n fuchod anhygoel i gwir. Mae'n siŵr bod lot o hein wedi dŵad o'r ifanc i fyny i lle maen nhw rwan.
Ac i ni'n gweld y beirniad wrthi wedi cael tipyn o hwsad mae Paul yn dweud.
Wedyn ni bod oedd e'n trial penderfynu gynnefach rhwng dwy fiwch yn fe, ond mae dy fe dipyn mwy i benderfynu ar nawr.
A dewch i ni dawelu i glywed beth sydd gan y beirniad i weid.
I'll talk about each cow, but then I'll invite one or two individuals to join me in the middle of the ring, and then if you could line up nose to tail, then that'd be appreciated. My in-calf heifer is a heifer I really admire. So got a big future, this heifer. She's got a beautiful head, beautiful bone, great rib, tremendous legs, great locomotion. My heifer in milk, this has done so well. She's 3 weeks fresh. Just a heifer that grabs your attention. Heifer with immense length of body, but strength of spine, udder attachments, and locomotion. And I'd like her to come and join me in the middle of the ring, please. My junior cow that just makes, whichever way you stand and look at this junior cow, she makes beautiful, beautiful lines. Just tremendous frame on this cow. Beautiful bone structure, femininity, width, dariness, openness of frame, well-attached udder, covered in veins and real wide rump, great locomotion. And if she'd like to join me in the middle of the ring, there's two, please. My two intermediate cows took a bit of splitting, but my winning intermediate cow is a cow again that looks at you with this big muzzle, big wide chest, length of body, openness of rib, a body covered in veins, and tremendous udder attachment. My senior cows, heaven knows it took me how long to split them. Just cows that you just love to milk. Two quite different cows. Winning cow, a cow that just edged it through that breed character, that length of forudder and squareness of plates through a rump. My intermediate winning cow, I think, deserves a parade down the middle of the ring as well, please. Yeah. And then if my two senior cows could come out and join us, please. And then I've got the most difficult task to tap out my champion reserve and honourable mention, and I hope you give them a big warm round of applause at the end, because they deserve it. It's 5 tremendous representation of the breed here, and I'm very, very lucky to have judged such great cows this morning. Thank you.
Wel, dyna ni'r beirniad. Mr Richard Saxby wedi anel chydorfa. Nawr mae'n mynd i ddewis Pencampwriaeth y jerseys. Le mae'n mynd, boys? Sonia?
O, dwi ddim yn gwybod. Dwi ddim yn gwybod lle mae'n mynd.
Paul?
O, i filgo hon yn unan.
Yr un o'n blaenau ni fan hyn, y Buwch James y fe. A mae'n dod nôl at honno, ond mae wedi newid i feddwl dy fe. Wel!
Na fe. Pwy oedd yn gwybod?
Ar gil wobr. A James yn mynd ar trydydd. Wel. 1-7-6. Buwch Richard wedi lloia 4 gwaith. Whitefire Dazzler Flamingo. Yn mynd ar garden goch. Dipyn o stori, ware teg.
Chwarae teg.
Ac Manning a Murray yn yr ail safle wedyn. Fuwch ail lo. Yn mynd ar gil wobr. Ond wylodd neb hwnna'n dod?
Na do.
Pam chi'n teimlo bod hon wedi cael y garden goch na heddi?
Wel, mae fiwch neis nôl amlaen amdani. Mae bach yn hynna. Mae'n dangos bach o ddymder, digon o ddymder corff. O na fe, diwrnod y beirniad i wir.
Ie, wir. Yn union. A pob lwc iddi hi fori nawr, wrth gwrs, pan fydden nhw'n dod nôl i gystadlu yn erbyn y Brydiau i gyd. Bydd yna dipyn o gystadlu mae fawr eto mewn Pencampwriaeth y Gwartheg o'r dro, ond dyna ni'n gwybod felly pwy sydd wedi cipio'r Pencampwriaeth yna erbyn hyn. Llonggorchiadau mawr iawn.